So today we're going to talk about Wet n Wild. I'm going to show you all the things that I picked up. I am amazed. I spent like, I think it was over $50 and they were having some big sale a little while ago. I think it was around Valentine's Day. Yeah, I really stink at filming these days, but I'm trying to do a schedule now. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, there should be videos here on my channel. So please subscribe so you can catch those videos. Okay. Anyway, so there's a ton of products in here. I really, when this came to the door, I was like, what is that? Because like, that can't be my Wet n Wild haul, but it totally is. They fit all of these products in this one little box. So we're just gonna jump in. I'm gonna randomly just grab things and show you what I picked up. All right, so the first thing here on top is the face primer. It is a dewy face primer. First of all, of course, as always, let me know if you guys want another full face Wet n Wild. I'm planning to do one, but just let me know. Let me know which products you want to see in the video. So I'm really excited to try this. I've heard some good things about this dewy primer. I love trying affordable products because it's so great to find something that's super affordable that is a great product. Let me swatch it just because I only really swatch primers if they are luminizing. A golden nudie shade right there. And really see the glow in that primer. So I'm excited to try it. It doesn't really have a scent, so that's always good. Anytime there is a face product without a scent, I'm like, sign me up. I don't like putting heavily scented things on my face. I feel like my face is going to break out. Pumped to try that. That glow though, yes, I picked up this highlighter. This is one of their MegaGlo, I think, and Blossom Glow. Everyone loves that. I forgot what it's called. It's like the Precious Petal one, but that one's always been too dark for my skin. So when I saw they came out with a lighter one, I was like, yes, please. Yes, please. Do you see it right there? My hand's already glowy from that primer, but that's beautiful. That is perfect. It's like a pinky pearl. Pinky pearl. I'm down. Put this on my face. Let's go. Let's go. I'm excited. I grabbed a couple of these new palettes. They're the Color Icon palettes. I don't know if they replaced the old Color Icon palettes or if they just come out with new ones. The formatting's different. I always loved those Color Icon palettes. They are super affordable and so good for the price. So crazy affordable. Wet n Wild is still one of the most affordable brands at the drugstore. Nude Awakening. It's a very neutral palette. There is that nice kind of reddy berry shade in there, which I'm excited to try. I like that they show you where your transition shades are. I saw Kitty Snack. I actually know Kitty Snack. Like, we used to live in the same town. Now she lives over in Bellingham. So I watched her videos. She is super sweet and amazing. So yay for Kitty Snack. Definitely go check her out if you haven't already. But she was raving about these palettes. So I was like, I trust you, girl. Girl, I need them. This one I'm most excited about because, of course, like anything with with warm tones and orangey tones. Ooh, yes, this one looks beautiful. This one is Rosé in the Air. Yes, please. Put this on my face. This brown, that pukey, like as Jaclyn Hill would call it. I love colors like that. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks much more kind of like purpley berry once I swatch it. Do you love my shade descriptions? Purpley berry, pinky berry. But let me know which one of these guys you want to see in a tutorial. I picked up a brush. This is the Fluffy Blending Brush from their Pro Brush line. This just looks beautiful. I think it's the only brush I picked. Anyway, this just looks really beautiful. I'm not gonna take it out of the packaging right now because I wanna save it for the video, but I'm excited about that. I don't know why I have a second dewy primer. Did I order two? Honestly, I literally ordered this stuff while I was at the hospital with my sister, so it's definitely possible that I ordered more than one. I don't know. I spent $70 though, I can tell you that. I don't know, but I got two of those. The Skinny Tip Eyeliner and the Skinny Mascara. I am forever looking for a good dupe of the MAC Giga Black Lash Mascara. For my bottom lashes, for my upper lashes, that mascara is just amazing. I picked up the waterproof one for like, because like it doesn't even have to be that great of a mascara. It just has to like work well enough that my bottom lashes are defined, and there I'll use it with wearing false lashes. So I don't really care if it's like perfect, but I'm really excited to try this mascara. I really like how tiny the wand is. It looks like it's going to be a dupe of that IT Cosmetics like tight lining mascara. I don't know if it will be, but it looks like it might be because you can see the picture of the mascara right there. Again, I'm not gonna open either of these just because I don't want them to dry out and I want to keep them in the packaging for the tutorial. I have to say it like that, tutorial, because I want to be able to show you guys in that tutorial with the packaging. But I just wanted to show you that I got these. This is just I think it's a micro thin tip, mega slim skinny tip eyeliner. I'm excited. Wow, I went a little crazy with the lip liners. I always feel like I don't have enough. And they just came out with all of these new, what are they even called? Just gel lip liners. I'll swatch some of them for you. How about that? We'll swatch some of these. I love eyeliners and lip liners that twist up. Ooh, that feels really nice. So there's Never Petal Down. I don't know if these are super affordable. They were like $3 or something like that. This nude one, I'm most excited about this. This one is Sand Nudes, which looks like a peachy nude. Wow, this is very nude. I almost feel like this is gonna be too light to even lip line unless you're doing a very natural look. It's right there. Even me being so fair, I like to have some sort of definition on my lips to make them look a little larger. Fair to comment, it looks like it's gonna be a brown. So let's see, maybe not. No, this one's gonna be a good shade. This one will be a good lip liner for me, that third one. I feel like that's gonna be really good for nude lip looks. Again, that one is fair to comment. Then we have, I think, a wine and a berry shade. Oh, this one says it's a mauve, excuse me. Excuse me. This is Lay Down the Mauves. Ooh, I like that one a lot. That one might even actually be my favorite. It's this one. The furthest one. I got the juice. So this burgundy kind of berry one is I got the juice. Ooh, that's pretty. It's pretty right there. I grabbed this retractable brow pencil in medium brown. Look like this. I think it's one of those, like the brow definer from Anastasia. That looks dark, but let's see how it swatches. I think it'll be a good shade, although it's pretty matchy-matchy with what I've got. So I guess we won't really know until we put it on my face. Right there. Bottom one. Yeah, and then it's got a little spoolie action. We've got some lip products. 5 of the liquid cat suits. I love the liquid cat suits. This is another one of my absolute favorite liquid lipsticks. Like, they're very comfortable. I think, honestly, like BH Cosmetics and Wet n Wild have some of my absolute favorite formulas for liquid lipsticks. This one is in Toffee Talk. One of you guys actually recommended I get Toffee Talk and Caramel Cake. I think it was Toffee Talk and Caramel Cake. You were like, told me to get that. I think that Toffee Talk is gonna be my jam for real. Ooh, that's pretty. I'm sorry that I'm horrible with names, but I do remember. Comment down below, let everyone know that you told me to buy this. That I would probably love Toffee Talk and Caramel Cake. Unless you said Nude is Peach. I don't remember. I'm sorry, but I know Toffee Talk was one of them. And you were right, that's beautiful. This next one is Caramel Cake, which looks like a brown, which might be fun. I love the little applicator. It's like the little doe foot indent ones, like the Jeffree Star ones. Again, there's like a 0 scent. So it's right there. Again, that one is Caramel Cake. Really dark, but really beautiful. Really beautiful. Next we have Nude is Peach. This one I think is a little too peachy for me, but it might be fun. I can always lighten it up a little bit with a white mixer. I just made a mess of that. This one looks gorgeous. What is this? Behind the Bleachers? Ooh, yes, please. That red. Oh, I almost just dropped all of these. That red shade. Yes, queen. This one I thought would be fun. This is Lavender Crown, which is like a gray with a lavender base. Ooh, it's pretty. So it's all of them. All right, loves, so I think that is everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos from me every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please give this video a thumbs up for more Wet n Wild and more hauls. And please leave a comment down below and let me know what your favorite Wet n Wild product is and which product I should try out, as well as letting me know if you want a Wet n Wild, 100% Wet n Wild tutorial, and what products you want to see. What kind of look? Do you want a bright look? Do you want a neutral look? Do you want an everyday look? Do you want a lazy day look? Let me know. I want to know all the things down below. Okay, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye. Oh no, it's sealed on the bottom too. The pukey baby poop or whatever. Pukey baby poop. Wow, what am I saying? I literally look like I painted metallic paint on my face right now. I kind of like it. This is one of their, from their Pro Blush. Whoa, words. Did I order 2 of these? Nudie Pinky Berries. These sleeves are ridiculous. Like, they're very baggy, don't mind them. This weave just like sits on my shoulders and poofs out no matter what I do. So we're just going with it. I did it, did you hear that? Oh God. I hope my sound doesn't suck. I hope it works okay, but I hope you watch these videos anyway. I got how many ums do I have to edit out? 1,000. Let me know down below. Is that everything? I think I got it all. I think we got it all. This box just fell completely apart. That's pretty impressive though. That's like build your own spaceship. Build your own spaceship? What am I talking about?